In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw your money on Vinted, and this works on both the Vinted app and on your desktop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and go to your profile icon, which can be found on the top right corner. And I want you to click the wallet. Sometimes it has a balance. It depends on the type of account that you have. But in my case, I am going to be having the wallet and I want you to click on it. Now here, you would see all your available earnings from any completed sales. Please take note that your balance only becomes available after the buyer confirms delivery. Alright? As you may notice, you want to make sure that you have your bank account ready, okay? Because this is going to be your first withdrawal. Now, you should be able to see a withdraw option here at the bottom, especially if you have activated your wallet and confirm your bank details. In my case, I haven't had the chance to activate my wallet and of course connect a bank, so I'm not comfortable doing that online. But if you do, you should be able to see the withdraw option here without any problem. Now, all I have to do is super simple. If you have the withdraw button, I want you to click on it, enter your bank details, for example, your name, IBAN, or local bank info depending on your country. Make sure your details are correct to avoid delays. And of course, enter the amount you want to withdraw or select the full balance. And then tap withdraw and confirm the transaction. Now, please take note that withdrawals usually takes 2 to 5 business days and the money will be sent directly to your bank account. Okay? Now, the thing is, if you can't withdraw money, that means the order is still in progress or the buyer hasn't confirmed delivery. Always double check your bank details. Now, some countries may have minimum withdrawal limits, so you might want to take that into consideration. And basically, that's how you withdraw money on Vinted. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.